Are you looking for a way to invest your money and potentially earn a profit? The Forex market might be just what you're looking for. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global market where currencies are traded. It's the largest financial market in the world, with trillions of dollars traded every day. In Forex trading, you buy and sell currencies with the aim of making a profit from the fluctuations in their exchange rates. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, which means you can trade at any time, from anywhere in the world. You can trade Forex with as little as $100, and there are many online brokers that offer low transaction fees and high leverage, which means you can control a large amount of money with a small investment. Forex trading can be a lucrative way to earn money, but it also requires knowledge, skills, and experience. It's important to educate yourself on the basics of Forex trading, such as technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. There are many resources available online, such as Forex trading courses, books, videos, and forums, that can help you learn the ins and outs of Forex trading. Trading Forex can be exciting, challenging, and rewarding. It requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort, Forex trading can be a great way to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. So, why not give Forex trading a try?
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.